Can you build muscle with just push-ups? Is it true that your endurance gets better? See what are the possible outcomes when you do 100 push-ups a day. What happens to your body when you do 100 push-ups a day? Push-ups are effective and simple, which is why they're always a part of various workout programs. But have you ever wondered what truly happens to your body if you perform, say, 100 push-ups daily? Will it improve your posture? Or perhaps will you overtrain your muscles? Let's find out in this video, so make sure to stick around until the end. Number 1, you get high endurance. Completing 100 push-ups will boost the number of blood vessels supplying the muscle with blood and nutrients. This is massively beneficial as it results in you having more energy and endurance during the exercise itself, and better recovery afterward. The truth is, endurance is also affected by the efficiency of your limbs and muscles. How well supplied are these muscles with blood and nutrients? Thus, high reps of push-ups will definitely build strength and endurance in your chest and arms. Before we continue, a like would be great. Number 2, your core becomes stronger. In essence, the push-up is an anti-extension move like the plank. When performing it properly, your core must stay flat and keep it from sagging. Over long sets of push-ups, this becomes an endurance challenge, training you to keep a rigid core. In turn, it helps prevent back pain and translates into more powerful and explosive moves. Number 3, your muscle stretching is better. Another great benefit of doing push-ups, albeit usually overlooked or forgotten by some, is the stretch it provides to the biceps and back muscles. When lowering yourself to the floor, your back muscles are stretched. Likewise, as you push yourself to the initial position, your biceps get into a full stretch. Ultimately, it improves your flexibility and creates a solid and attractive appearance. Number 4, your physique significantly changes. Ever noticed how push-ups are recommended in different weight loss workout plans? Yes, that's because this exercise promotes the burning of calories. As a result, you lose weight faster and safely. Also, you will see changes in your arms, chest, and core muscles. There might also be a good increase in your upper body muscle tone. Number 5, your posture improves. Posture-wise, doing 100 push-ups a day will help correct poor posture. This is especially beneficial for people who spend most of their time sitting. The exercise activates and strengthens the core muscles, allowing for a better posture. Number 6, you risk overtraining your chest and triceps. Ask yourself this: are 100 reps of push-ups hard for you? If yes, then your muscles will need a ton of recovery afterward. To get the most out of your training, you should let your muscles recover for at least 48 hours. If you keep on pushing yourself, you won't just overtrain them, but might also injure yourself. Number 7, you may have a muscular imbalance. Newbie or not, focusing only on one type of exercise is not the best idea if your goal is to get overall muscle development. A good workout program involves targeting all major muscle groups to ensure a functional balance. Push-ups work the anterior part of the body, so your back is left untrained. Can you do this too? Did knowing the effects help you decide whether or not to do 100 push-ups a day? Drop your answer below.